find the sample size needed to estimate the mean age of movie patrons such that it can be said with 95% confidence that the sample mean is within 1.5 years of the population mean. Assume that the population standard deviation is 19.3 years based on a previous report. Should the sample be obtained from one movie at one theater? So first, let's find the required sample size. And we're working with a 95% confidence with the mean. And the population standard deviation is given. So let's go ahead and use StatCrunch. Since we're working with confidence interval for the mean, you can either do Z-stat or T-stat. But in this case, population standard deviation is given, so we're going to use Z-stat. One sample, and we want to find the sample size. So scroll down to width/sample size. And then from there, we're going to enter all the information that we have. So let's go ahead and enter. Let's clear the data. We're working with a 95% confidence level, so 0.95. Population standard deviation is given, it's 19.3. And the width is going to be margin of error times 2. And the margin of error is 1.5. This is how close you want to be to the actual population mean. You want to be within 1.5 years of the population mean. So the margin of error is 1.5. And if we multiply it by 2, it's going to give us the width of the confidence interval. So if I click compute, I will get my sample size. So the sample size is 636. So should the sample be obtained from one movie theater at one theater? That would be a no. It should be done completely random. The sample should not be obtained from one movie theater at one theater because the sample could be easily be biased. Instead, a simple random sample should be obtained.